Bill Gates in Times Square.
Hi, I'm here at the Starbucks in Times Square. Let's go see what's happening inside. Excuse me, I've got a Windows Messenger request. Terrific. Windows XP will be a big help for that.
So in one of my earlier videos, we took a look at the state of Skype, and it was very interesting because it is a complete, what's the saying? Like,
it is a shadow of its former self.
Shadow of its former self. Taking a look at just Skype alone is not fair. We should take a look at the whole spectrum of IAMs across the years. And let's see how... What is Joey Friend's funny face? Alright, well I think we got our profile picture set up already. Alright, so I think the most popular example of old IAMs being revived is escargot. But escargot has been very... So obviously MSN Messenger shut down around 2012 because it was being replaced by Skype, which has now been replaced again in true Microsoft fashion. Classy. So escargot was a service used to revive MSN Messenger, and it essentially works thanks to very smart reverse engineers developing their own MSN servers, which means that we can use it the same way we could however many years ago. Okay, which one are we gonna try out? Oh, what's like the XP era one is like 5, right?
7.5.
7.5? Really? Jem, you pull that shit up real quick.
Are we up for tonight, guys? I'm down. So I'll see you later then. Tonight? Of course. This is Riz, guys.
What is the camera angle? Is that supposed to be their webcam? Why are they like 4K action GoPros as their webcams? What the f***? Why is there a fucking shoe here? Okay, so we are choosing MSN 7.5. Kind of looks like Windows Longhorn in a way. It is very, very era specific. This is 2005. This add-on can cause Internet Explorer to stop responding or crash. MSN's own toolbar. Bill Gates. What the fuck were you thinking? Sorry, probably not Bill. What is this, Steve Ballmer era? I love this company. My screen name. Is that like an Xbox gamertag generator? Random names, random mix, generate. Alpaca MILF?
Huh.
Alright, I gotta make an email. Gotta make a hotmail. Yeah, that's hot. Which option is the sound of exactly 2 drum beats? Now here's the joy of escargot, you gotta check if it actually works. I have had very mixed success rate with this, as you can see.
I'm right now having mixed success rate with this.
Alright, you know, I think I'm happy with this background.
Oh my god, I got it working. Oh, finally.
What's your contact? I need macro media? Do I?
Oh yeah, I need Flash Player.
Are you getting my messages, SonicHack? Yep.
Alright, I'm logging on, guys. Or I'm about to, rather. Bitch. Fuck you. Alright, let's make a group chat. How do we group chat on here? That's f***.png? Okay. I don't like these incriminating, like, notifications that come out with Michael's face on the bottom of my screen. Would you like to open that's f***.png? While files from the internet can be useful, some files can be potentially harmful.
Oh man! I got the idea that a PNG...
Where is SonicHack? Why am I not in this group chat?
He's out to lunch, dude. What? Can you not tell?
That's a
there
lunch.
it is.
Relax. I think you should accept the file. Yes, Windows XP hardware insert.wma.
Well, what if this contains a virus?
You make a good point.
You weren't lying.
Alright, maybe we should update to the latest Windows Messenger now, so maybe everything will work. Alright, let's get that group chat going.
Yo, what is up, guys? Add me to the group.
Nah, sorry, we're playing Yahtzee, dude.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
What's a Yahtzee?
5 of the same.
It's the same number.
I might be in for a Yahtzee.
If you are.
No, you know what? This game's fucking stupid. Nah, this.
Hey, I just got Yahtzee! You
Can I wink you in this? Winks were basically these large-scale emoticons that were animated and took up your entire fucking screen. Let's try a few. This is how I feel about you, bro. You gonna send it back? Hold on, let me smash. How big can you make the font size? Like 200? Oh. Alright. Do you guys want to try AIM?
Yeah,
Sounds great.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. My AIM is not opening up.
Sounds like a skill issue to me. Works just fine for me, and I'm in.
Alright, AIM 6.9 works just fine, so... Alright, hit me up. You sent me one? I am. You didn't take up my whole screen. Alright, can we make a group chat?
When do you make a group? Is that a thing?
Yeah, we never figured it out. We're going to unlock our inner... Hold on, let me pull this up. Unlock our inner... Yahoo! Why is there a stock photo of like a nice, presentable man eating Greek yogurt? Who the f commissioned this? Unlock your inner yogurt Yahoo. Yahoo. Goodness. Get a Yahoo ID. Ma'am, can I please see your Yahoo ID and registration? I hate this.
What?
Never do that again.
How do I do that?
I'm serious. I'm not fucking around. Stop. What are you... yes? Right? Okay. Go for it.
God.
Wow, that's awesome. That's awesome.
Conference invitation. Join my conference.
Join the conference.
Is that the default one or you type that in?
Yeah, that's the default one.
I don't like the look of that. That is really scary.
What the f happened to your conference?
Hello? What did you do? Oh, okay.
How are you singing, bro?
That's the exclamation mark.
Yahoo! Yahoo! Get out. Enough with the Yahoo!
I unlocked a new function.
What?
Do you Yahoo?
What? Yo, let's hug.
That's awesome.
Why is grown a fucking... I don't... Any fucking... I'm gonna... Whoa! Wait, no, stop, guys!
Wait.
What? Malif, send him to the Diddy mansion. This is me right now, just sitting and watching all this.
This is actually me during the Game Awards.
Alright, so we're gonna try Facebook Marketplace. This will be... Okay, he's on deafen.
My favorite part of Facebook is them taking forever to send you the verification code.
There we go.
Not even that annoying.
Wolfgang is here. Like, I mean, like a boomer photo that's like, you know, like a good kind. They're like looking down. Like how angry he looks. I like this one. Make sure it's like off center, like in like a weird way. There we go. That looks pretty good.
I'm getting my profile picture.
SonicHack, can I like add you on Facebook?
Of course, I put the link in there.
Say less. Please add me back. Did you get my request?
Oh.
Alright guys, I think I'm ready for you to see my profile now, okay.
Hamoud Why are we both divorced, Hamoud? You and me.
Do you like my life event? Is this Hillary Clinton guy? Dude! Wolfgang, you are fucking ballsy. Can you stop with the egregious amounts of periods? You invited me to party in Intercourse, Pennsylvania.
Wolfgang, calm down.
I'm excited.
Wolfgang.
Chill! Now we're gonna start doing Facebook Marketplace.
Facebook Marketplace item for sale. You guys are probably gonna be like a lot more creative with this than I will. How's you guys listings going?
Going pretty well.
I'm getting there.
No!
They automatically clocked that I was not being serious.
Nah, you guys interested in my Wii?
Oh, I need this. This listing isn't available anymore.
No. Oh hell no! Oh hell no! Two friends, you're gone! Dude, you vanished!
They've made him evaporate. No! This is exactly what happened to Wolfgang.
Hey Evan, how you doing back there?
But Facebook is too overprotective. But you know who isn't overprotective even after all the scandals? Discord. You know, it's a completely different demographic now.
Now we're like skibbity toilet.
Do you want to add my Discord, Sonic?
Oh, of course.
Oh my god.
Femboys for blue for who?
Sexual relations.
What? No!
Yeah, sorry, I gotta put something topical in the video. You can't say that!
Why is this Shia LaBeouf clapping faster?
You stop asking if I'm 12.
What's this?
Alright, we gotta join some servers. Discord, server search, roleplay, basement society. Wow, this is so deep, guys. Society.
Oh, it won't look weird that 3 people joined all at once. Oh, God.
Hey, Jay. Can someone say something? Help me out here. Why did we scare them?
Oh, they're on to us.
Y'all seem like a gang. Wait! They have a yogurt mail sticker. Wait, how do they know? They server hopping. Oh my god. Yogurt mails rise up. Oh, thank you for diverting the conversation.
You know what? Just for that sticker, I think the server gets a thumbs up.
Is there a yogurt mail server? Hold on. Oh my god, it's real. Invite other yogurt mails to our community. r/yogurt mail. Welcome to the highly esteemed community concerning the peak of human consciousness and physical endosymbiotic perfection. Yogurt mails. That is a mouthful. Is there a Sigma? Sigma Discord server? Sigma Society, not authoritarian. Ah, the Sigma Society, a mystical place where the Skibbities roam, talk to where echoes, and the Sigmas mew in harmony. Blood, this server is so freaking tough. Sigmas fly, alphas run, betas walk, and Skibbities crawl, but by all means, keep moving. Albert Edstein. Okay. Bad take a fuck, I just realized I'm in the wrong audience. I'll come back once I've readjusted my profile.
I'm gonna just say I'm a yogurt male.
Hey, I joke it. Do you Mongolian macro bird? What does that mean?
Give him that image a 100. Oh, I could give it a 50! Oh my god!
Hey Bill, you got some yogurt mail?
Back at the house, there are more suspected predators on the way.
Emily, wave him in. Here he comes. Good job. Good job. We got him coming.
Online, using the screen name Femboys for Bill Clinton, he tells the decoy,
Are you 12?